The banding machine uses tutorials. Basic operation. Our machine comes with two cords, one is the power cord, and the other is the air hose. Insert one end of the air hose and power cord into the machine. Power on and supply air. Turn on the power switch. Take out the film we want to bundle. This film has a front and back side. The front side faces right. Follow the steps to put it on. Align it with the entry place. Press the jog button to make the film enter. Find the color mark and align it with the photoelectric sensor position. Open the plate cover. Find out the color mark sensor. Long press the color mark recognition button. The value will flash. Release it when the indicator light is on. Introduction to the function panel. Manual page. Clamp cylinder. Take tape cylinder. Lifting cylinder. They are used to hold the film in place. Cutting cylinder. Cuts the film. Slide cylinder. Opens the lower slide plate. Forward. Transports the film strip forward. Reverse. Returns the film strip. Parameter page. Send tape length. Send tape speed. Values are adjustable from 1000 to 5000 millimeters per second. Banding duration. Sliding delay. Color mark distance. Color mark delay position. Fixation pay rod. Welding duration. Temperature controller. Set temperature. Actual temperature. On-off switch. I/O table. Alarm record table. Click language selection. Manual function. Click forward to start transporting the film. Click cut tape. Take out the OPP film. Measure the distance between the color marks on both sides. The measured distance is 440 millimeters. Click parameters. Adjust the color mark distance to the corresponding parameter. Then click auto mode. Reset. Pre-sending tape. Start transporting the film strip. Then bundle the product we want to banding. If the bundle pattern is not centered, decrease the value to center the pattern if it is offset to the left. Increase the value to center the pattern if it is offset to the right. Adjust until it's in the right position. Now it's ready for normal use. Common issue 1. Film jam. Solution. The solution is as follows. Open the slide cylinder. Open the clamp cylinder. Take out the film tape. Close the lifting cylinder and slide cylinder. Click cut tape. Remove the cut film tape, and it's done. Common issue 2. Uneven binding and wielding. The solution is as follows. Solution. The reason for uneven binding and sealing is the varying tightness of the upper plate. Open the cover plate and adjust the 3 screws on the lower plate to make the upper plate uniformly tight. This will ensure even binding and sealing. Common issue 3. The film strip is not cut. If the film strip does not cut off, check if the blade is sharp. If not, replace the blade. The solution is as follows. Replace blade. First turn off power and wait for the machine cool down. Unscrew the 3 screws, remove the top plates on both sides, and take out the old. Install the heat shield and separator plate. Then replace with a new blade, positioning the beveled side of the blade closer to the heating blade. Insert the 2 top plates into their grooves, with the longer one on the right and the shorter one on the left. Push it back and tighten the screws. Secure the top plates. Finally, relock the screws. Common issue 4. Loose banding. The solution is as follows. May be caused by insufficient film feeding length. Adjust the tape feeding length and the parameters, and click pre-sending tape after adjustment to prevent loose banding. Common issue 5. Empty banding. The solution is as follows. Empty banding, same with last question. Also through adjust the tape feeding length to resolve this issue. Banding machine with printing. Click on Other. Inkjet setting. Turn on inkjet printing. Red is off. Green is on. Importing printed files tutorial. Import the edited content to be printed into a USB drive. Plug into USB port. Turn off the running state before importing the file. Click on File Management. Click on USB. Find the name of the saved content file, and click on the content when you find it. Click on Save to Local and confirm. After successful operation, click to return. Click on Local File. Confirm that the local file contains the file we want to print. Click to set as the current print file. Confirm return. The printer will display the content we want to print. When the content we print is not in the position we want, take out the op film. Click on Automatic, Reset, Pre-sending tape. Use a hexagonal spanner and unscrew the inside screws. Print location. Adjust the op film to the position we want to print. Lock the screws when the adjustment is complete.